All right, today we're going to see words that we have gotten from other languages, such as English, German, or French. Now, what's the beauty of this Dutch language? That we actually take the same sound and pronunciation as their original words. Now, for example, with French words, we have the G, which in Dutch is ge, but in French it's more like je. Take a look at these words. Garage. Horloge. Or at the beginning, genre. Notice that each one have kind of like a Z sound to it. That's the French part. That's what we keep. Now you practice. Oh, and like, subscribe my page.